Hi, I'm Larissa Wong and I'm here today to share about consultation behind the chair with my guest Mandy today. So with consultation, the first thing is to observe, take notice, and that happens right away in the waiting area, even before we get to the chair. When I go up to greet her, I give her a nice firm handshake. I can get a sense of her energy and her demeanor. But physically speaking, I'll see her in her regular clothes, whether street clothes, work clothes, what have you, and I'll see her hair and how much time and energy does she spend on her look. Then as we get back to the chair, now she's seated, I don't see her proportions, and she's draped up. So that first part is very important. Once we're back here, I want to get some information and ask some open-ended questions. So Mandy, with your hairstyle, do you like your length? Are there things about it that are working for you right now?
Yes, I like the layers and I like the face framing I have, but I want to take off some length.
Okay, so you're ready to take some length off. Is there anything about your hairstyle that's giving you a challenge or something that you'd like to change other than the length right now?
It feels heavy.
It feels heavy and it's a little too long.
It's a little too long.
Okay, so with your hairstyle today, we can take the length out. When we say length, are you looking for a change, like transformation, or just a good cleanup?
I actually brought a picture
Oh,
with me.
let's see. Oh yeah, okay, so this is a lot more of a bobbed shape, but is it important for you to still wear it up?
Yes.
Okay, so we can do this. It's shorter in the back, longer in the front. Is there anything about this picture you want to make sure I know that speaks to you?
I like the texture and the layers, but not the fringe and the face framing on her. It's too short.
Okay, so very important. That's my chance to listen actively. I want to look at her facial expressions and hear the words out of her mouth. I hear that you like the texture and the dimension. You don't want the fringe, and you like the face framing, and you like that it's short.
Yes.
That sound good? Okay, great. So today when we give her a haircut, we'll probably go up to, just to the limit of where it can be short to long. You'll be able to pull it back in a low pony, or because the front is longer, half up and leave the bottom if you're working out or that kind of a thing. And then we'll put some shorter pieces around here, give some dimension with some texturizing, and no bangs, I promise. Any other questions? Does that sound?
No, that's it. That sounds great. Let's get started.
Okay, you don't have any questions? We'll get started. So that is the nuts and bolts of the consultation. Observe right away, check out the physical look, the demeanor, her mood, her energy, find out what her lifestyle is like, how much time does she put into her hair on a daily basis, and then listen to where she's at with her desires, what works, what doesn't work, what she wants to have. Then repeat back what I think I heard so I can make sure we avoid any tears in the chair, any redos, that kind of a thing. Then get permission, make sure there's no more questions before we begin. Thank you so much.